No doubt about that. Next up is Ashley Diaz. We have this question. Anong feeling na part ka ng something this big and knowing na malaki ang fan base ng original story? It must feel so flattering.
At first, I was really excited, and at the same time, I was really pressured because I researched agad, and then I'm currently reading the piece, and I understand why it has such a big fan base. It's such a brilliant piece. Thank you so much for this. So ayun, it was really more of pressure also, and also with my coworkers. Then I'm so excited to work with them. So ayun, thank you so much.
Thank you for that. Next up, for Ivan Lim. Hi. How do you, or should I say, what do you look forward to the most sa mga katrabaho mo dito sa series?
Well, I'm really excited to work with them all, especially with their scene. And they're all great actors, and yeah, I'm just really excited to work with them.
Thank you so much. Next up is Joanna Lara. What's the one thing?
Struck by them, tapos very flattered also to have to be able to work with them because this is my first time, biggest project po in the acting industry. So it was kind of, I feel a little bit pressured working with them, but since knowing them, very ano po sila, very approachable, very easy to work with. Kaya ayun, along the way, nag-enjoy din naman po ako.
Thank you. Up next, it's Kurt De Los Reyes. How is it working with Derek Sian for the first time?
First time ko po maka-work si Direk Sian, and ano po kami, yung sa audition pa lang po, minimake sure niya po na comfortable po kami sa kanya, and wala po kaming dapat ikatakot. And nung sa ano po, nag-look test na po kami, ayun po, ginaguide niya po kami, and he makes sure po na we feel comfortable po with them and to all the production po. And excited po ako sa future na mga mag-taping, ganyan po.
Sweet. Maalaga talaga si Derek Sian. Hello, brother. Hi, brother. Can you tell us a bit about your character at kung paano mo siya nare-relate sa totoong buhay mo?
Oh, okay, wow. Character. So, Luis Kingsley Mendez, or also known as Loki Mendez. Well, he's such a complex character. He's very deep. First of all, very mysterious, nonchalant. He's very calm lang, tahimik lang. Pero at the same time, he's also very intelligent, especially when it comes to doing investigations. At madaming investigations ang gagawin natin for this project, Loki. And yun, he's very intelligent, he's smart, and especially when it comes to deductions, diba? So, in terms naman, pagdating sa, if I would compare it to my personality, medyo malayo sometimes pag lumalabas yung extroverted side ko. Pero, when it comes to my introverted side, so I think I'm an ambivert, lumalabas din naman yung pagiging nonchalant ko, pagiging mysterious. Kasi I feel like some of us naman siguro, we sometimes feel na we want to be alone, or we want peace, we want quiet. So, yun siguro yung mga konting similarities namin. And yun yung pwede kong paggugutan sa character ko para mas mabigyan ko ng justice and ma-portray ko na maayos si Loki Mendez. And it's, mention ko lang yung syempre yung Seducing Rick Palma, Trip Palma. So, very thankful ako sa Viva for giving me this opportunity, and sa Signal, sa TV5. So, very different si Trip Palma kay Loki Mendez. So, grabe yung contrast. And it's gonna be a challenge. It's gonna be a good challenge for me, especially pagdating sa acting. So, yeah, I'm very thankful kay Direk sa guidance. Thank you sa mga workshops natin, lahat ng advices mo. And of course, kay Sir Rain, ako si Ibarra. Palakpakan sa story niya. Napakaganda ng project Loki. And, ayun. So, yun yung contrast ng character and personality ko. Yun.
Thank you, Dylan. Incredibly well. Marco, this next question's for you, buddy. Paano ka naghanda para sa role na to given na investigative mystery crime etong Project Loki?
Siguro alam niyo naman po na all we've been doing right now, it was the university series for the past, what, 3 years? No? 3, 4 years, something like that. And then now this new Wattpad story has arrived. And honestly, it's something new. I've never played anything regarding mystery or crime, so it's exciting, you know. And I'm intrigued if I'm gonna be, you know, how do you explain this? Like, I'm excited to do it, but then I'm scared at the same time because it's something new, you know. And so you're like deeping your feet into new waters, and hopefully on set we're gonna be able to do it. Yeah.
Thank you for that. Yes, round of applause for Mr. Marco. Now for Jada. Hi, Jada. Grabe naman yun. The screams are deafening. Dito sa Viva Cafe. Thank you for that. We appreciate the love. Now for Jada. How did Direk Cian help you understand your character better?
Very, very nice question. Well, for starters, I'll say it once and I'll say it again. Napakaswerte po namin as a cast of Project Loki to have Cian Lim as a director, but also, you know, his background as an actor. Napaka-blessed po kami that we have somebody who really understands us and our process so well. And I just want to take this opportunity, Direk. Thank you so much for how generous you are and sa lahat ng effort mo ngayon pa lang to really make this project what it needs to be. I think dun pa lang sa mga conversations namin together, because when Direk and I talk, hindi lang siya from one actor to another, an actor to a director, but also as parang kapang creatives ko din. Kasi I would say na I'm versed as well in the creative field. I've dabbled in directing as well for music videos naman. But in this particular scenario, we're also talking about the soundtrack of this project. We've been collaborating on that, and ako din from the soundtrack and the music standpoint, gusto ko din talaga makuha yung insight niya in making songs that will fit his vision for this. So, ayun, I think through those conversations, mas lalo ko pang naintindihan si Dory. I think nung unang palang yung unang Zoom nating dalawa before I started writing songs for the soundtrack of this project, I asked you immediately, ano ba yung vision ni Lorelai sa eyes mo? And I think that was really helpful for me, not only just as an actor, but as a creative as well. So, yun, super big props. I think every workshop, every conversation I have with Direk Cian is so enriching for me.
Yes.
Thank you. Hi, Martin. Is Martin here? Hi, Martin. So this next question is for you. Project Loki already has a very strong following. Tama po ba? So, do you feel any pressure or excitement about meeting those fan expectations?
Yes, yung pressure nandun pa rin since galing po ako sa Montiana Section E. Yung transitionan from rom-com to thriller, nakaka-pressure siya kasi ibang genre siya compare sa pinanggalingan ko. And yun, pero at the same time, I'm excited kasi hindi na siya rom-com, parang more on mystery na ito eh. Like, we're gonna solve crimes and mga ganun. So, it's very exciting.
No truer words said. Couldn't agree with you more there. Next up, we have Yumi. Hi, Yumi. So, Yumi, nabasa mo naman na yung material, you've read it. Sa palagay mo, bakit must-watch ang Project Loki?
Gusto ko lang sabihin na kailangan din talaga ito panoorin ng mga readers and yung mga non-readers kasi hindi siya yung typical na romance, hindi siya yung kilig-kilig, more like about mystery siya, and ayun naman yung maganda kasi magkaiba ng genre. Like, etong Project Loki, ibang genre siya, and gaya ng Seducing Drake Palma, ano siya, romance and rom-com siya. And dito naman, medyo serious kami dito. It's Marco. So, ayun, add ko lang na I don't play games. I don't play nice here. You will love me and hate me and love me again. But one thing's for sure, you will never forget me here. Aww! Ayun lang. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you for that. Now it's Rain's turn. Si author Rain. Hi. So, this next question is for you. Hello. Anong gusto niyo sabihin sa mga loyal readers and viewers? Ian Lim, this next one is for you. Yeah. Ian Lim, up close and personal, everybody. So, Direk Ian, what are some of the reactions you're most thrilled about, you're most excited to seeing once mag-roll na kayo and once mag-premiere na to sa Signal Play and Viva One from the fans, of course?
Thank you for that question. Sa akin, and same with the whole cast and Rain din, we have an open communication na ano nga ba, katulad nga kanina tinanong ko si Rain, ano nga ba yung gusto nyong talagang pagtuunan namin ng pansin na eksena. So ako, I'm looking forward to una sa lahat, magsimula na yung shoot ng Project Loki because we're more than ready. I feel na ready na mag-principal photography for this. The fans are also waiting. I've been reading yung mga reactions online, and ako para sa akin, we just want to give justice. We want to stay true to the source material. Hindi namin yung katulad nga ng sabi ni Rain na hindi lang ito basta kinuha yung Project Loki tapos ibahin namin yung kwento. We will do our best to execute as close as possible. But syempre, gawin pa rin namin this is an adaptation. So makikita nyo in the flesh yung mga paborito nyong characters. But they're very excited. Sobrang nilang eager and sobrang nilang, they're all passionate. Tingnan nyo naman sila. They're stars in the making. So, and stars actually, diamond in the rough. So, I'm very proud sa kanilang lahat. And I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Wattpad Viva for giving me this really big responsibility of directing Project Loki. So ako naman gusto ko lang po mapasaya lahat ng manonood nito. So thank you for that question.
Walang anuman, Direk Ian. But that's not the only trick we have up our sleeve. Kasi naririto siya to capture our hearts both on stage and on screen. Everybody, may special tayong performance from none other than Miss Jada. But before that, everybody, may we kindly ask the rest of the cast and the group to exit. Momentarily lang naman po.
Sila yung bida ng kwento ng buhay nila. Kaya I hope you guys like this one. Sinulat ko po yung kanta nito. This one's called Bida. I think what I personally am excited for, syempre kasi ako, romance enjoyer. Kasi something unique about Project Loki is even though crime thriller mystery siya, meron siya mga konting mga delulu moments. And super ako personally natutuwa ako sa mga shippers online ng Loreki and Loretor. So excited ako to play up those scenes. Actually, there's one scene in particular that comes into mind where I don't know if I can spoil it. Should I spoil it? Yeah, that's fine. I think so.
May green light ka rin here.
Yeah, okay, may green light ng author. Okay. Ayun, so it's actually a scene between, it's actually the first time that we meet Alistair in person. And it's Laurie and Loki on the date. And it's Alistair. So, ang cute kasi nung dynamic ng scene na yun. I think in the darkness of the series, masaya din kasi yung parang may mga light moments din that really does go to show that this is still kind of like a youth-oriented show. Like, in some ways, parang it doesn't always take itself too seriously. And I think that's why
readers love it so much is there's that balance. Tsaka, yun nga, parang nakakatuwa lang makita din yung fan response in terms of that. So I think for that, ako din personally excited din talaga ako sa mga investigation or deduction scenes. Kasi I think that really is, parang yun yung parang true mark ng Project Loki. I think that's the identity of the series that I'm excited to bring to life as Lori. So yeah, I'm excited to live through her experiences and her shoes.
Yeah, so ako naman. Ako favorite, madami kasing mga dami mga good scenes, investigation scenes. Pero siguro yung ang pinaka tumatak sa akin siguro. I mean, may time kasi habang nagbabasa ako, biglang natatawa ako sa nangyayari. So, siguro yung scene na yun is yung deduction showdown natin ni Lori. So, parang in a way, nagpapagalingan kami kung sino ba talaga, is it this guy or is it that guy? So ako, pipiliin ko to, tapos si Lori pipiliin niya isa. So syempre, ako kasi, very confident ako na alam ko kung sino gumawa, di ba? Pero this time, surprisingly, she got it correctly. And natawa ako sa part na, since she got it correctly, ginamit niya yung stunt pen na binigay ko sa kanya. Tapos, gano'n na sa leg ko.
Diba we were using yung rock?
Yeah.
Tapos we were joking around.
Oh, you
So,
joke
yeah,
around.
we saw the stunt pen for the first time. For the readers, if you know, you know.
If you know, you know. Yeah. Yun lang, doon ako natawa.
Yung
I'm excited
dynamic.
to shoot that, yeah.
Yeah, yung dynamic talaga ni Lori Loki as the detective duo. You know, I think that's a really fun part of this series.
Yun.
Ikaw na, ano yung gusto mo na magawa na scene?
Kanina, as discussed, I'm also excited with the chair scene, without that chair moment, without the chair up. But ako rin, just to share, nai-excite ako pag mag-come together na yung QED4. I think that's a goosebumps moment pag nung binabasa ko. So yeah, that's I don't want to say too much. Jada said too much already.
Did I say too much?
Alright,
You think so?
Alright, for my last question na lang for Dylan. Alam naman natin na si Losing Drake Palma is siya, successful. Ikaw, paano mo mapapatunayan sa mga viewers and readers ng Project Loki na magagampanan mo si Loki?
Well, first of all, nung natanggap ko yung project na Seducing Drake Palma, I promised myself na to just give my best and do my best. Kasi syempre, kasama ko yung mga co-actors ko na magagaling, sila Direk Chris, sobrang galing. So, andun yung pressure, pero yung pressure na yun, it motivated me, it inspired me to talagang aralin yung role. And this time, I promised myself to do the same thing. Just to give my best always. To study the material, to listen to the directors, to trust my co-actors. So, yun yung mga ways para magampanan yung role ko and maging successful yung project ko.
Alright, thank you so much and congratulations. And happy birthday, Dylan.
Thank you so much. Salamat.
Happy birthday. I love your birthday, Dylan.